Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Teppy Wi-Fi mobile device. Alright, so we ordered this Teppy mobile Wi-Fi hotspot device because we travel often. And our businesses are online, so we always need to bring our laptops, our cell phones. We always need to be online, and we travel all the time. And if we use the data from our phones, it can get quite pricey. So I was looking for an alternative. I did a bunch of research. There are a lot of companies out there, and we settled on the company Tep, and this device is called the Teppy Wireless device, and I'm going to unbox it for you guys. So first thing right off the bat is it comes in a carrying case, and if you've watched my other product review videos when I buy like gadgets and stuff, I really like it when they give a carrying case. It makes a difference. So they got a cool case. It's small, square-like. I'm gonna open it up, and you can see there are some items. There is one item in here that I added that we ordered separately, and I'll show you that in a moment. But first thing, everything's like laid out nicely. And you've got in the top pocket here, we got the 4G machine. So it's the Tep Meet Your 4G Teppy. And you've got like 3 or actually 4 different cards. So it's Meet Your 4G Teppy, and it's basically showing you like a diagram of your device. And I thought these cards were pretty cool. They're like laminated, so they're gonna last, and you can always refer to them. So it says here the instructions on how to use it. I'll be creating a separate video on me actually connecting to the device. I'm not going to connect to it here because I'm in Vancouver and I'm obviously going to get a strong signal. I want to connect when we are in Shanghai, China, and try it out there. So I will be doing a video of connecting this when we are in China. So these cards here, this one is about your actual device, turning it on. The blue one here is the support numbers. So they have like a live chat that you can do. They're around 24/7 every single day of the year, and we respond super fast too. So they're also on Messenger, live chat, email and phone, and SMS. Okay, they're also on text. So that's the support card. Next is a card about the adapter that I'm going to show you. So they have like a universal world adapter, and they show you how to set up the plug based on what country you're in. And I like that, you know, it says here for France and Germany that you like need to twist it out specifically, because if I was there, I probably wouldn't know how to use it. So I like how they actually give a diagram on how to set up the electricity prongs on the plug there. And then this is the Tep Wireless app. If you want to make calls, it's kind of like if you need to use your phone to call, kind of like a WhatsApp or a Skype, I believe. And it says here, call anyone anywhere without hesitation. Seriously cheap worldwide calls and SMS. So I'll probably be trying that out when I'm in China. So these are the cards. Next here is a little, hi, I'm a gift for you. Attach me to your luggage and let's travel the world together. So it's like a baggage tag. That's nice. Next, in the case here, is that plug I was talking about, and they have the guide for that. So this guide is for this thing, and this is an international plug adapter so that you can use your Tep Wireless, and you can use it for your cell phone because it's got a USB as well, so that's kind of handy. So it's got all these little prongs here, and I believe for some countries you have to like twist this and then like prong it out or something. So there's instructions on how to use this in the different countries that you are in. So I thought that was really helpful. So that comes with the global adapter. Now before I show you the actual device, I'll show you the extra thing that we got. So this actually, it fit in here nicely at the bottom. This did not come normally with the device. We had to purchase it as an extra, and it is a power bank. So the power bank wasn't too expensive. It was decently priced, and you can see it got the Tep logo. So this is the power bank and the charging cord for the power bank. I wanted to get a power bank for this device just in case, you know, we're out and about all day. When we travel, we're usually out everywhere all day doing like adventure-y type stuff. So just in case the battery goes down on that, we have another battery source. If you already have one of these, then you don't need to get one, but I currently don't have one because we usually have access to power all the time. So I got this as an added bonus, and it fits nicely at the bottom of the case. Next is the actual Teppy device. This is what ours looks like. And at first, when we got it, I was like, where's the charging cord? Oh no, they forgot to give us the charging cord. But the charging cord is actually built into this little disc thing. And it's pretty much the size of a coaster, I would say. Like maybe even a little bit smaller size than a coaster. And the cord is actually right here on the side, and it unwraps like that. So you can charge this through your, like on your USB on your computer, or you put it in here, and then, you know, you would plug this into the wall. And then when you're done, you just clip it on there. I like that the cord is like exactly the length. It's not too long, I will say that. It's not very long, but I like that, you know, it keeps it as one unit. So if you lose the cord, then you're not screwed. So like I said, this is the actual device here. And if we look on the card here, it shows that, you know, it's going to show you the power button, battery indicator. It's going to show you the usage, the strength of the connectivity, strength of the signal, and pretty much it just outlines the USB and like where the charging plug is. So I'm not going to turn it on right now because I don't want it to connect to the cell towers here in Vancouver and it start going, because I know that we're going to get a strong connection here. I want to test it out when I'm in a different country, and the next country we're going to is Shanghai, China. Like I said, we did choose this device to purchase it because we do travel a lot, and we need our cell phones, we need the internet. We're constantly doing like videos, live streams, client work, basically everything's online. So we wanted a portable device and to be able to do work wherever and not have to actually specifically be in a coffee shop or be somewhere, because sometimes, you know, we'll go to a coffee shop in a new place, we'll buy the drinks, and then the internet doesn't work, and then we're screwed because we already bought the drinks, and then, you know, we end up having to do like offline work. So that is it for the unboxing. If you guys are interested in checking this out, you guys can head down to the description below. You guys can also rent these if you don't travel as often and you just want to try it out, or you can purchase it as well. Like I said, stay tuned for that other video when we are in Shanghai, China, and we'll be testing out the strength and the connectivity and see how well it works. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.